welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate destination for beautiful home gardening ideas and inspirations. Today we are exploring 16 ideas of rustic and vintage tea and coffee table Nook backyard garden with tropical plants to transform your outdoor space into a cozy paradise. You will discover how combining weathered textures with lush greenery can create the perfect morning retreat. If you enjoy these charming designs, please remember to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. Transform an oversized industrial wooden spool into a rugged coffee table surrounded by lush monstera leaves. This setup pairs beautifully with aged wooden chairs to enhance the rustic cozy atmosphere of your backyard. The vibrant green tropical foliage contrasts wonderfully against the weathered textures of the wood. It provides a peaceful sanctuary where you can savor your morning brew in complete serenity. An ornate, weathered black wrought iron bistro set brings classic Victorian elegance straight to your garden path. Surround this cozy arrangement with large bird of paradise plants and cascading ferns for a dramatic effect. The dark metal stands out against the bright oversized tropical leaves, offering a timeless aesthetic. It creates an inviting spot perfect for sipping afternoon tea while admiring nature. Lay down a small distressed brick patio section in your yard to serve as the foundation for your vintage nook. Place a simple aged timber table and chairs over the bricks to ground the design. Frame this entire area with broad-leafed banana plants and vibrant caladiums to build a secluded paradise. This arrangement feels like a hidden historical courtyard tucked away inside a tropical jungle. A vintage cast aluminum table set painted in a distressed sage green offers a delicate yet durable outdoor feature. Nestle this beautiful furniture amidst dense clusters of elephant ears and wild palms to build layers of texture. The intricate patterns of the chairs blend seamlessly with the organic shapes of the surrounding flora. This cozy nook invites you to slow down and enjoy a quiet coffee break every day. Incorporate a distressed white wooden table and matching chairs to achieve a romantic, shabby chic garden vibe. Position this bright set against a backdrop of deep green philodendrons and colorful bromeliads for striking contrast. The peeling paint of the furniture adds a wonderful sense of history and character to your backyard. It serves as an enchanting oasis perfect for relaxing with an iced tea on warm afternoons. Stack and sand down old wooden pallets to construct a low-profile rustic coffee table that feels casual yet stylish. Surround this DIY piece with comfortable floor cushions and towering bamboo stalks to create an intimate retreat. The raw wood grains harmonize perfectly with the soft rustling of nearby tropical fronds. It offers a relaxed bohemian environment where you can unwind with your favorite beverage. Embrace a retro aesthetic by placing a vintage woven rattan table and matching armchairs in a shady corner. Enhance the comfort with linen cushions while surrounding the space with lush ginger plants and variegated hostas. The natural wicker textures pair beautifully with the broad glossy leaves of the tropical greenery. This cozy setup brings an exotic, resort-like feel directly to your private backyard. utilize a heavy, natural stone slab supported by thick wooden logs as a rugged and permanent coffee table. Ring this prehistoric-style centerpiece with weathered wooden stools and dense overlapping split-leaf philodendrons. The cold stone texture contrasts magnificently with the warm, lively green tones of the surrounding jungle. It offers a grounded and deeply relaxing space to enjoy your morning refreshments. Introduce a vintage mosaic-tiled bistro table featuring intricate geometric patterns to add a splash of Mediterranean flair. Surround this colorful focal point with potted palms, canna lilies, and trailing pothos vines for an exotic look. The detailed tile work catches the sunlight beautifully through the dappled shade of the overhead canopy. This enchanting nook transforms any ordinary backyard corner into a vivid, artistic tea escape. Convert an antique cast-iron sewing machine base into a unique coffee table by adding a reclaimed wood top. Pair this historical conversation piece with simple metal chairs and surround it with vibrant crotons and ferns. The intricate ironwork of the base provides an industrial yet vintage elegance to the garden landscape. It establishes a creative and cozy destination for your daily caffeine rituals. Set up a pair of distressed French country metal chairs around a small round folding iron table for an understated look. Encircle this delicate arrangement with tall majesty palms and flowering hibiscus bushes to enhance the tropical ambiance. Weathered patina of the metal furniture evokes the timeless charm of an old European garden. This layout creates a picturesque sanctuary ideal for peaceful morning reflection and tea. Build a rustic high-top tea station using rich, salvage barnwood characterized by deep grooves and natural imperfections. Flank this tall table with matching wooden bar stools and nestle it beneath a canopy of dense tree ferns. The warm, earthy tones of the barnwood blend effortlessly into the wild tropical surroundings. It provides an elevated and distinct vantage point to enjoy your drinks while overlooking the garden. Feature a custom coffee table crafted from a large piece of sculpted ocean driftwood with a glass top overlay. Arrange this artistic piece alongside comfortable wicker seating surrounded by creeping figs and lush heliconias. The smooth weathered lines of the driftwood add an organic, coastal vibe to your backyard paradise. This stunning arrangement makes every coffee break feel like a getaway to a tropical island. Combine heavy black iron pipes with thick timber slabs to assemble a sturdy, industrial chic coffee table. Soften the harsh lines of this modern rustic furniture by surrounding it with massive taro plants and soft ferns. The contrast between rigid industrial materials and fluid tropical growth creates a highly compelling visual dynamic. This structured nook offers a bold yet comforting environment to relax with a hot beverage. Incorporate an antique brass tray table as a glamorous yet vintage centerpiece for your outdoor seating area. Pair it with low-slung, weather-resistant velvet chairs and frame the space with dramatic fishtail palms. The metallic gleam of the brass beautifully reflects the dappled sunlight filtering through the dense leaves. It brings a touch of old-world luxury and sophistication to your casual backyard garden setting. Opt for a mid-century modern-inspired rattan coffee set to introduce clean lines mixed with organic vintage textures. Surround this stylish arrangement with snake plants, monstera, and colorful bromeliads for a complete mid-century tropical aesthetic. The light, airy weave of the rattan keeps the space feeling open, breezy, and incredibly inviting. We hope these ideas inspire you to design your own cozy outdoor sanctuary, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more.